So you might have heard the terms El Nino, La Nina, right? And people are like, oh, that's why it's hot, or that's why it's not raining, right? So to tell you. Um, so we spoke about some variations within year to year also, right? So I said everything it used to remain a range, but still there are some hotter years, there are some lower years. So one of the factors that affects a certain year being hotter than the other is what you call El Nino and La Nina. They are basically weather patterns in the Pacific Ocean.
Okay.
But they are weather patterns in the Pacific Ocean, but they're very important because those patterns somehow almost have the power to impact the climate for the entire Earth, right? So El Nino is the kind of weather pattern which typically causes warming in the Pacific Ocean, right? And La Nina is the opposite, which causes cooling.
Okay.
A lot of places will have typically higher temperatures in El Nino, including India. So India also sees higher temperatures in El Nino compared to La Nina. Second thing is it affects cyclones and hurricanes. Then some other countries, like for example, Australia tends to see droughts during El Nino.
Okay.
Right? In India, El Nino typically also brings a weaker monsoon. So India also sees lesser rainfall. And El Nino, is a pattern that will say last for a few months at a stretch, and it can come every 2 to 7 years. So it's not very regular. You can't fully predict when an El Nino will come, when a La Nina will come.
And so essentially El Nino, La Nina are natural phenomenon.
Yeah.
It's a term given for a set of things conspiring to become a change in weather conditions.
Yes.
essentially.
And El Nino, so we have been experiencing like an El Nino weather pattern from around June last year.
Okay.
So June 2023, the El Nino started. It is still going on, and it is expected to weaken in a
We're
couple
in
of
April 2024.
Yeah, it's a long El Nino, and it's expected to weaken in a couple of months actually.
Okay.
And we're hoping it will, because if it will, then it means India will get a good monsoon.
Okay.
So the 23 monsoon wasn't the best monsoon for India. One of the contributing factors was El Nino, right? So 2023 was therefore in a way an El Nino year, and that's also why its temperatures are very hot, right? So the way you should think about it is climate change is causing an overall increasing temperature. El Nino is adding fuel to the fire.
Right.
Right? So El Nino is what is making that particular year even hotter. So if it was only El Nino without climate change, we would have had a hot year, but we would not have had the hottest year on record. Right. 2023 was the hottest year we've ever seen.
Oh wow.
That has happened only with a combination of climate change and El Nino.
Got it.